A new beginning in our dream home. Hello. My name is Priya, and I'm so excited to share a big change in my life. Recently, my husband, my son, and I moved into a beautiful new house, and we couldn't be happier. It's a fresh start, and we are turning it into our dream home. Moving to a new house is always a mix of emotions. There's excitement, of course, because it's a new chapter in our lives. But also a bit of stress as we pack up our old place and figure out how to make everything fit in our new home. I still remember the day we walked into the new house for the first time. It felt so spacious and full of potential. The high ceilings, the big windows letting in so much natural light, and the cozy rooms. We knew this was the place where we would make lasting memories. After the move, the first thing we did was to focus on the essentials. Setting up the furniture, making sure the kitchen was ready for use, and ensuring that everyone had their own space. My husband and I shared the task of unpacking, while our son was so excited to explore the house, running from room to room. He couldn't wait to pick his room, and after a little discussion, we decided on the one with the biggest window that had a perfect view of the garden. One of the most exciting parts of moving into a new home is decorating it. We decided to work with an interior designer because we wanted our house to reflect our personalities and style. But we also wanted some expert advice on how to make the most of the space. The interior designer helped us choose colors, furniture, and decorative items that fit the overall theme of the house. We decided on a modern, cozy, and family-friendly design with a warm color palette, soft beige, warm grays, and touches of rich blues and greens. One of the biggest decisions we made was picking out the furniture. We knew we wanted a living room that was both stylish and practical. Our son loves to play and jump around, so we chose a large, comfy sofa that can handle daily wear and tear. We also added a big coffee table and a few side tables for extra space. For the bedrooms, we went for cozy and calming designs. Our son's room is filled with soft colors, and we added a few playful touches like bright bedding and fun artwork on the walls. My husband and I wanted our bedroom to be a peaceful retreat. So we chose a minimalistic design with a focus on comfort, with a big, soft bed and a cozy reading nook by the window. Lighting played a big role in making our house feel warm and inviting. We chose a mix of ceiling lights, floor lamps, and table lamps to create different moods in every room. The living room has bright overhead lights for the day, but at night, we use the lamps to create a cozy atmosphere for family time. We also added accessories like decorative cushions, plants, and artwork to bring life to the rooms. I love how plants make any space feel more welcoming and fresh, so we placed a few in the living room and bedroom. As we put the final touches on the house, I couldn't help but smile when I looked around. Every corner of the house felt like it was coming together perfectly. Our home is not just a place to live, It's a place where we can make memories, relax, and enjoy being together as a family. Our son loves playing in his new room, and we've already had family movie nights in the cozy living room. There's still more decorating to do, but I'm so happy with how it's coming along. The process of settling into a new home is so special. It's more than just filling rooms with furniture. It's about creating a space where you feel comfortable, happy, and at peace. I can't wait to continue decorating and making this house our own. Every day, we're getting closer to feeling like this is truly our home. It's a place where we'll celebrate birthdays, enjoy quiet evenings, and share moments of joy and love as a family. This is my journey in creating our dream home. Have you ever moved into a new place and made it your own? How did you decorate your space?